Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Volvo Cars app for charging timer automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Volvo Cars app on your smartphone. Make sure your vehicle is connected to the internet. Log into your Volvo account if prompted. On the home screen, navigate to the charging section. Select Charging Timer to begin setting up the feature. Tap on Add New Timer to create a charging schedule. Choose the days of the week you want the timer to activate. Set the start time for when you want charging to begin. Select the desired end time for the charging process. Specify your preferred charging limit if applicable. Review your schedule to ensure all settings are correct. Once confirmed, save your new charging timer. Check for a confirmation notification to ensure it has been saved successfully. Go back to the home screen and verify that the charging timer appears as expected. You can edit or delete the timer at any time from this section. Your charging timer is now set and ready for automation. Enjoy the convenience of fully charged batteries when you need them. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.